Oh, welcome back to Hands on High Tech. I think what we're going to do today is we're going to review one new item I got in addition to this camera that you're on right now. That's cool, right? Like and subscribe below. Hopefully this is not too long for you guys to watch. So here you go. So what we're reviewing today is this device. This is a windshield cleaning tool. What I found in both my truck and in my wife's Model X is it's really hard to reach up at the extremes of the window. So I think what I'm going to do is get this out and give it a try. I'm not sure if I'll get it a try today. I probably will, only because I know I need to do a little bit of window cleaning. It's 100 degrees outside, very high humidity here in Virginia, so not a great day to do this. So I'm going to put you on a stand here and we'll see if we can watch an unboxing on this new camera. All right, so we're going to see if we can do this, and it'll track me. So if we open this box up, start from here. What you get is one, looks like a paddle. You get a little spray bottle. I'm assuming that's so you can wet and. I didn't realize that was actually coming with it. These are window cleaner tool. It looks like a nice case to keep it in. And some instructions. Looks like there might be one more piece of plastic. Oh, look at that, would you? There is one more thing down in there, which is this. Okay, put that off to the side. This is the microfiber that goes on the end. Okay, so let's see if there's anything specific with the instructions. And what do we do with instructions on this channel? We normally don't read them. Anyway, but what I'm going to look at on this one is it looks like this might have, oh yeah, look, extension. So you can get longer or shorter. I do remember that. So, and then if you open it like that, it looks like I might need some scissors. I actually have a trusty knife here. Let's open this up. It comes with several different ones of these, so that's good. And the way this works is you just slip it across. I don't know that it matters 100% here. I'm trying to figure out if there's a top and a bottom to this. Don't believe there is. So you basically just stretch it over like that, and there you have it. So now one thing I can tell you is it's going to be really nice to be able to reach in and go all the way down to the edge of the glass. So try to show you using that. I'm going to probably put a little bit of spray in here because I think you can spray this device. It looks like, oh, there's even a lock on it. So this little bottle that came with it, there's a lock here on the side. It's a lock and unlock, just a little flip over button. All right, so we're going to fill this and try it. All right, a little hard to use this when I tend to use aerosol. I find that this Windex foam, there's a couple of these out you can get, works the best. I'll put a link to that down below, but I really like this for window cleaning. All right, so let's go see how it works on the car. All right, so let's try the windshield in this thing, shall we? All right, we're gonna try the windshield in Big Red. It's a nickname for the truck, Big Red. I know, not very unique, but Big Red it is. All right, so how to use this lock to unlock it a lot of times. And it unlocks, rolls out the mirrors. Does a really nice job for that. So you can see up here, if we get in this truck, that I'm sitting back here and I try to reach all the way down. It's a long way down. I can also tell you it's really hot in here, so we're going to keep the door open. And so I'm just going to show you how this thing works. This goes all the way down to the edge without me actually even having to stress. So what I'm going to do is just try this a little bit. Hopefully be able to film. I'm just going to squirt some aerosol stuff on here. And we're going to try cleaning. All right, maybe not the best to do in the heat of the day, but let's see how it works. And I can tell you, that's better than trying to break my back getting all the way down in the little areas. And I can almost do the whole windshield inside with this thing without even extending the even trying. So look at that. All right. I think that turned out really well. All right. Give it a thumbs up on this one. Hands up. Hands up, thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.